This is roof number 1, guys. Everything here is solar panels. So I came here to collect the CCTV camera, guys, for the monthly progress. So I usually do the time lapse. So basically it's like this. A lot of space here. So I came from this point and going here, be like this. So this is the rooftop, guys, my second rooftop. Wow, that's this cable ducts. Oh, still the same with the first one, all with solar panels. So what I'm here for is the CCTV, guys. I am collecting the SD cards for the monthly progress, and it's usually in time-lapse manner. Okay, down with my second CCTV. The roof access is different here, guys. So the roof is here. So this is the scariest roof among all the roofs I go, guys, because of that big hole. It is like there is like a psychological feeling of siphonic. It's like you will be vacuumed to go into that hole. So I think let's go from here. So still there is a solar system. Solar system. So still there is a solar panel here. I think this is a different type of solar panel. Older version, older type of panels. Yeah, guys. Noise monitor. So they have the noise monitor here. This is what we're after here, guys. The CCTV. So we only have one key for all the roofs, guys, but this key could not be duplicated in any way. Yeah. You see, path number, control duplication. So if the key duplication outlets will see this, they will not duplicate the key, guys, because they will like cross the law. So roof access here is different also. I think very people here. Hula hoop. Okay. So where is the real link? I think the CCTV is there. Let's see this green roof, guys. See that? That is usually a car park building. Then all the roofs have greens. And still the rooftop has solar panels. I think all have solar panels. Take a closer look.
That's my best friend.